how to design a Shopify store for beginners. So first, you just have to create an account, go to any web browser, go to Shopify and create your own account. Here, you can view your online store by tapping online store here or the eye icon. And to see the result, and this is what it looks like if you don't edit or if you don't put some designs on your Shopify store. So, in order for you to create or design your Shopify store, what you want to do is simply go back to your Shopify. Now, here you can see under sales channels, you will see here online store. So, what you want to do is to click that. Now, under online store, we have here options like themes, blog posts, pages, navigation preferences. What you want to do, simply click themes, and it will take you directly to this where you can see different types of themes. We have here Dawn as the current theme, but if you scroll down here, you can see popular free themes, and you can use this, depends on you, okay, or it depends on your niche, but this time, let me choose this Dawn as your current theme. So we're going to edit this. So what you want to do is just simply click add, or you can simply go up and then tap this customize here. So we can customize your Shopify store. Okay, so tap this one and it will take you directly to your Shopify store. Here, as you can see, default homepage. So we're going to edit your homepage here. And then if you tap any of this here, if you tap this one here, and then you can simply edit this. So we have here header, template, and we have here footer. So let's start with header. As under header, we have here announcement bar, welcome to our store. You can change that. So first, let's go to header here with with this ad block and ad section. As you can see here under header, we have here my store, we have here home, catalog, and contact. So if you're going to add block, you can just simply tap add block. If you want to add section, tap add section, and you have choices here, announcement bar and custom liquid. So first, we're going to change something here with the header. So if you're going to add section like announcement bar, then you can tap this one here. But since we have that one already, so we'll just leave that. So we are going to change the format of our header. Okay, so let's just say this part right here. If you go to, or if you tap in this header, you have to go to the right side in order for you to edit. For example, the position of the logo, you can just simply tap any of your choice here. Okay, so we have here middle center if you wanted to change menu, change that, or you want to remove this one, you can also do that. If you scroll down here, we have here sticky header, we have your color. If you want to change color scheme, then you can choose from any of this here. Okay, everything is up to you. And also with the menu color scheme, we can change the twine. Okay, under header, we have also the country and region selector. If you want to change, you can tap on this blue with underline here. And then also for the language selector, mobile layout, spacing. If you want to change spacing, as you can see, there is changes here. But if you don't like, you can just simply put it back or drag it back. Also with the section padding, tab padding, and bottom padding. Everything is up to you. We have also here the theme settings and custom CSS. Don't forget to tap save so that it will save the changes here. Okay, so we're done with the header here with our store, home catalog, and contact. Now, if you want to change your announcement bar, you just have to tap that go to the right and change your announcement bar. If you don't, everything is up to you, but don't forget to always tap save. Okay, so we have here, I changed this to welcome to end the store. Now let's go to template and our image banner. So always go to the right. Once you tap this one, select image. If you have created your image, you just have to simply upload image and then import it from your computer or any device. But for our tutorial, let me add it from the images inside the Shopify. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now there are tons of free images here. You just have to select the one and that is suitable or matched to your store. Okay, and always tap save, like I mentioned earlier. If you want to change or if you want to simply add something, just click add block, or you can just simply change the text here. For example, the font text here. Let me change this to yes, it's always possible. Everything is up to you. You can change it if you want, or if you don't, it's okay. Now change the format by tapping bold, italic, and you can insert link if you want to. For the size, small, medium, and large. Okay, everything is up to you, but I'll stick to large. And then we have here buttons, add block. If you want to add text, then you can tap add text and add something that can motivate or something catchy here for your customer to, of course, buy your product. Okay, so if you want to edit your text here, like what I mentioned, you just have to tap and go to the right side. You can change everything here. For example, let me enter shop now and always. This is just for example, and then click the font style or text style and then tap save. You can add section if you wanted to, like or featured collection, featured product, collection list, image banner, and so on. So you just have to simply tap here if you wanted to add something. Okay, so that's it. Example product, you can change or you can simply edit it by going to the right side and edit this part right here. And don't forget to tap save. As you can see, you can change the text, the title, the price, variant picker, quantity selector, buy buttons, and other features right here. So all you have to do is to simply tap this part right here, go to the right side if you want to edit. Okay, so for example, for the text, if you want to add some block, tap this one. For example, you wanted to add section, you wanted to add this what we call featured collection, and under featured collection we have here featured products, and then the customer can see your featured products. Okay, but actually you can change this to our products or whatever you want, my store, or everything is up to you. Change the heading, change the format here, change the size, description if you wanted to, if you want to add. Also for description style, okay, for maximum products to show, number of columns. So we have other options here. All you have to do is to change this if you want some changes, and don't forget to tap C. Okay, so that's it. Now this is what it looks like. Now, let's go on to this add section. So if you want to add something like video, okay, so you can tap video right here, and then you can add a, what you call this one, URL, okay, from your YouTube channel if you wanted to, and then paste it below. So you can change the name of our products, change the heading style, play video loop, everything is up to you. Paste URL here, select an image as a cover. Okay, so for the meantime, this one. Okay, so you can change everything here, the style, and then tap save. Okay, so that's it. This is what it looks like. Okay, now once we're done with this part right here, let's move on to footer. So if you want to add something here under your footer, so all you have to do is to click this add section. If you want to add something like let's just say menu, or if you want to add brand information, text, or image, everything is up to you. Brand information, you have to edit and go to this edit brand information right here. If you want to add image, tap this one again, tap image, and then your customer will see the image right here. Okay. Now, if you want to add a more like, for example, aside from that information, aside from the products, you can also add, for example, like new or text. So everything is here. Okay, so all you have to do is simply explore and add some section if you wanted to. Okay, and then go to the right side to edit and always tap save. So it's very easy to edit or to design your Shopify store. All you have to do is simply go to your online store, customize, and then go to home page, and then after that, edit everything here. Okay. So if you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.